Hello, hairstyling enthusiasts. Today we are exploring the Shark Glam Hot 2 air styling and drying system in gold, model number HD6051S. This innovative multi-styler combines the power of a hairdryer with versatile attachments to help you dry, curl, straighten, and gloss your hair with ease. Whether you are aiming for sleek, straight locks or bouncy curls, this device is designed to deliver salon quality results at home. Let's dive into these features, the functionality, and who it is perfect for to help you make an informed choice. The Shark Glam Hot 2 hair styling and drying system is a game changer for at-home hair styling, offering a range of attachments to suit all hair types, from straight to coily. The Shark Silki Hot 2 and Air Straightener uses heat-controlled ceramic plate and high-speed airflow to create a silky smooth finish on both wet and dry hair, delivering up to twice the shine compared to air drying, based on lab testing. Its design allows for quick wet to dry styling in as little as one pass, making it ideal for those who want efficient, polished results. The Shark Glossy Hot 2 and Air Glosser, with its teardrop-shaped ceramic and air-powered round brush, smooths hair, reduces frizz, and adds bounce for glossy blowouts in record time. Its unique shape ensures easy access to roots for end-to-end smoothing without snagging or tugging. The Kowanda Auto Wrap Coilers included in the system use air-powered technology to automatically wrap, set, and coil hair in minutes, creating soft, effortless coils without the need for extreme heat. The system's gloss lock features helps seal in a glossy shine for up to 24 hours on a dry hair, ensuring long-lasting, vibrant results. What makes each styler stand out is its heat sense technology, which monitors and regulates temperature 1000 times per second, maintaining consistent heat levels below 302 degrees Fahrenheit for safer wet to dry styling. The scalp shield, developed with dermatologist input and approved by stylists, adjusts temperature to protect your scalp and new hair growth, adding an extra layer of care during styling. The device transforms from a powerful hair dryer to a multi-styler with a simple 90-degree twist, offering flexibility for rough drying, blowout, or precise styling. Additional attachments like the freeze fighter finishing tool and concentrator nozzle for straight and wavy hair set, or the diffuser and wide tooth comb for coily hair set, cater to specific hair needs, ensuring versatility across textures. The system is lightweight at just 2.21 kg and compact, measuring 4.29 by 4.09 by 227.41 cm, making it easy to handle and store. It is designed to minimize frizz and flyaways while controlling airflows for sleek, smooth results, and its attachments are engineered for durability and ease of use, with a secure clicking mechanism to keep them in place during styling. This styling system is recommended for anyone who loves experimenting with their hair, from sleek, straight looks to voluminous curls or glossy blowouts. It is perfect for busy individuals who want professional grade results without spending hours styling, as well as those with diverse hair textures seeking a single tool to meet multiple needs. Whether you are a styling novice or a seasoned pro, the Shark Glam's intuitive design and tailored attachment make it accessible and effective. However, users with very short hair or specific styling preferences should consult the user guide to ensure the attachment suit their needs. And those new to multi-stylers may need a brief learning curve to master the Silki Straightener's technique to avoid creases. The Shark Glam Hot 2 hair styling and drying system in gold is a versatile all-in-one solution for achieving salon-worthy hair at home. With its innovative attachment, heat control technology, and suitability for all hair types. It empowers you to create stunning styles with ease and confidence. Whether you are drying, whether you are straightening or curling or glossing, this product deserves your attention. Thank you.